Hey traders, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you on Thursday evening, the 18th, with a quick review of CREE and my entry and exit points for an options trade. Typically, I will stalk a stock and look for a good entry with consideration of the Bollinger Bands and whether or not we're holding a certain level. Now with CREE, we already saw a resistance level, which when you scroll back, you can see what we were looking at. I was looking for the momentum to continue back in the direction of the resistance level here after a double bounce. And although stochastics was overbought and turning, I still was watching it. Okay, when stochastics started to turn on Tuesday, I watched this candle open and stay above the 20 EMA, this gray line here. And as soon as we started to get into the above the 8 EMA, I started to break down my chart into 15 minutes. This is the same day, same candle, and stochastics was oversold. So typically I will not enter a trade in the morning. I wait on a momentum trade for the 11 o'clock to 11:30 time frame. Okay, you can see that entry here was a little early. I could have got stopped out here, but I did not. I entered. I had my stop down at the 50 EMA on the 15 minute, and then I let the trade run. I was considering the stochastics was about to turn, was oversold, and being a swing, I was going to wait a couple of days for this to bounce up above that resistance level at 57. We got that. On the next day, Wednesday, I decided to hold because stochastics ran down quickly, price went sideways, so we had a positive divergence. I decided to swing an additional day and waited for the early morning hours, which is typically the high of the day when newbie traders are chasing momentum stocks up. And in this case, we also had some short covering. I believe CREE was 21% short at that time. So entry after 11 o'clock, exit same time frame. So you can see we had quite a move here from 54 and change up to 58 and change for a $4 move on the options. The delta typically that I take is 55 cents or greater. So that was a good $2.10 move on 10 options. So that was a nice trade. Again, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you from Day Trading Radio, where you can stop by in the room and we'll talk about options trades and stocks in general. Take care and have a good evening.